The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, there was a shepherd boy who took care of many sheep. One day, the boy was bored and decided to have some fun. So he decided to shout out, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!" And the villagers who heard him ran to him and said, "Where's the wolf?" And the the boy the boy was laughing. "Ha ha ha! I fooled you." The villagers were annoyed and came back to the village. 3 days later, the boy, who was feeling bored again, remembered how much fun it was to prank the villagers. So he decided to do that once again. He, he shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf attacking the sheep!" The villagers who heard him ran to him once again. And the villager said, "Where's the wolf?" The boy, he laughed. "Ha ha! Ha! I fooled you all again." The villager was mad this time, so they all go back to the village. After a while, there was a real wolf. The boy
Who appeared?
The, and the boy was very scared and cried out, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a real wolf!" But this time the villagers decided to ignore him and didn't believe him. And the boy sat down helplessly as watching the wolf killing all of his sheep. Before sunset, the villagers
We're wondering.
were wondering why didn't the sheep return. So they checked on the boy, and the boy said quietly, "There was a real wolf. When I called help, no one came." One of the villagers said,
You lied.
"You lied, so no one believed you anymore, even when you're telling the truth."
So the boy
learned his lesson in a hard way.
Since
Since then, the boy never lied
ever again.
ever again.
The end.
The end.
Okay.